Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best kayak toy is probably one of the most exciting water toys for kids, offering hours of fun in the pool, lake, or even the ocean. This video will dive deep into the world of kayak toys, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out from the crowd. Whether you're a parent looking for a safe and engaging water activity for your children or simply a water sports enthusiast, you're in the right place. Number 5. Intex Challenger K1 Kayak, paddles and pump included. This kayak is built with super strong enhanced molecular formulation PVC. It provides superior strength and durability. You can count on it for high impact and abrasion resistance. The Challenger K1 features a streamlined, low-profile design. This makes it perfect for easy paddling in lakes and mild rivers. It allows you to navigate with ease. The kayak has a spacious and comfortable cockpit. It includes removable and adjustable seats, providing plenty of room for your legs and gear. You can customize the seating to your preference. Attached to the underside, the removable skeg provides directional stability. This makes it easier to maintain a straight and steady course while paddling. It helps you stay on track. It has a one-person capacity and can hold up to 220 pounds. The inflated size is 9 feet x 2.6 feet x 1.1 feet. It's also easily foldable for convenient storage and transport. What we like. This kayak boasts super strong PVC, making it incredibly durable. Its low-profile design ensures easy paddling in lakes and mild rivers. If you are looking for a kayak that can withstand impacts and abrasions while offering a comfortable and stable ride, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those who enjoy exploring various water environments. What people say. The kayak is very stable. It is easy to assemble. The kayak is lightweight and easy to carry. Number 4. Intex 86 Kayak Paddle. This paddle features ribbed spoon-shaped blades. They are designed to maximize your performance on the water. You'll gain speed and maneuverability on your next adventure with it. Built for durability, this paddle is also lightweight. It makes maneuvering and transporting it on and off the water easier than ever. It's designed to be both strong and easy to handle. This kayak paddle offers 3-position feather adjustability. It's designed to give you the best grip possible on the shaft. This ensures ultimate comfort during your paddling experience. Fully assembled at 86 inches and weighing only 3 pounds, this paddle is easy to manage. Whether you're replacing an old one or just need an extra, it's simple to assemble and transport. Intex designs and tests all products to the highest standards, with safety as the priority. This affordable and innovative paddle is built to last. You can rely on it for your water adventures. What we like. The paddle features ribbed spoon-shaped blades for maximum performance. It's built for durability, yet lightweight. If you're looking for a paddle that provides excellent grip and adjustability for ultimate comfort, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want to enhance their paddling experience with ease of maneuverability. What people say. The kayak is very stable. It is easy to assemble. The kayak is lightweight and easy to carry. Number 3. Intex QuickFill Electric Air Pump. This is the Intex QuickFill Electric Air Pump. It quickly inflates and deflates air mattresses, inflatable kayaks, boats, and toys. It's a convenient tool for all your inflatable needs. The pump includes 2 interconnecting nozzles. This allows it to be used with various inflatable products that have different valve sizes. It's designed for maximum versatility. With a maximum airflow of 400 liters per minute, this pump is efficient. Its compact size makes it easy to take with you for outdoor inflation. It's a great solution for on-the-go use. Intex designs and tests all products to the highest standards. Safety is the top priority. This affordable and innovative product is built to last. The Intex customer service team is ready to help. They are available via phone, chat, or email. They can assist with any questions about use, installation, or service. What we like. This electric air pump inflates and deflates quickly. Its portable design makes it easy to carry. If you have multiple inflatable products or need a convenient solution for outdoor inflation, you should consider this. It's a must-have for anyone who owns inflatable kayaks, boats, or toys. What people say. It inflated my air mattress in just a couple minutes and deflates it just as fast. The different nozzle sizes fit everything I needed. Way faster than the cheap one we bought previously. We were able to deflate 4 inflatable kids' Intex beds with inflatable mattresses in about 10 to 15 minutes. The adapters that came with it work great for mattresses and pool floats. Number 2. Lifetime Lotus Sit-on-Top Kayak with Paddle. This kayak comes with a paddle, so you're ready to go. It's designed for easy use and enjoyment on the water. The hull design ensures excellent stability and tracking. This means a smoother and more controlled experience while paddling. It features multiple footrest positions to accommodate paddlers of different sizes. This ensures a comfortable and customized fit for everyone. The kayak includes a hard-adjustable backrest for added comfort. This allows you to relax and enjoy your time on the water. Scupper holes are designed to drain the cockpit area. This feature helps to keep you dry and comfortable during your paddling adventure. It has a molded paddle cradle and an easy carry handle. These features make it convenient to transport and store. The kayak includes tank well storage with bungee cord lacing. This is perfect for securing your loose items. What we like. This kayak offers ultra stability and great tracking. It includes multiple footrest positions for different size paddlers. If you like a kayak that is durable and provides a comfortable experience, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who prioritize stability and ease of use on the water. What people say. This Kayak Toy is a great addition to our pool toys. It is easy to assemble and the kids love it. The kayak is very stable in the water. Number 1. Blue Water SUP Kayak Kit, 10-foot x 32. Get ready for adventure with this multi-purpose kit. It easily converts from a stand-up paddleboard to a kayak, offering versatility for all your water activities. It's the perfect choice for those who love to explore. This inflatable board offers the stability of a hardboard with the convenience of an inflatable. It enhances your paddling and kayaking experience. Enjoy the best of both worlds with this innovative design. Made with military-grade PVC, this board is built to last. The honeycomb EVA padding is 100% UV resistant, ensuring it can withstand the elements. This ensures it will be a reliable companion for your water adventures. This kit has everything you need to get started. It includes a 10-foot by 32-inch board, a convertible paddle, a detachable seat, a backpack, a leash, a pump, and a fin. It's a complete package for your water fun. We stand behind our product with a full 1-year warranty. You can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered. Enjoy your water adventures with confidence. What we like. This is a multi-purpose stand-up paddleboard and kayak kit. It features durable, UV-resistant construction. If you are looking for versatility and convenience in one package, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want the option of both paddleboarding and kayaking. What people say. The kayak is very stable and easy to maneuver. It's lightweight and easy to carry. The kayak is well made and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.